We're now going to make a Jake knife. It has nothing to do with Jake, but it's got a lot to do with Jaeger. I'm going to go ahead and add a little ice to the glass to start this beautiful concoction off. Calls for 2 ounces of Jägermeister. The jigger I'm using is 1 ounce. 1/2 ounce on the other side. They come in different increments, different measurements. Find them at your local liquor store. We have a couple ounces of Coca-Cola. And then we are going to shake until our heart's content. Shake it till your arms are numb, or until you start losing most of the drink out of the shaker. Go ahead and pour this into a cocktail glass. Looks pretty tasty from here. But just when you thought we were done, a little 151 rum to top it off. This one ought to get you started quite nicely. The Jake knife.